Step 1. Unbox. Step 2. Remove old doorbell. Then remove any sealant. Remove doorbell wiring. Reconnect doorbell wiring to Ring Video doorbell. Now, doorbell power's on. Step 3. Set up doorbell by scanning QR code. Next, join to Ring's Wi-Fi. Listen for confirmation.
Now connected to the Ring app.
Now Ring's ready to scan for Wi-Fi. Choose your Wi-Fi and continue. Wi-Fi successfully connected.
Setup successful.
Now screw Ring doorbell to the wall. Use a level before tightening. Secure the doorbell plate. Finally, all done.